So the fuel injectors are going to go right down the middle here. In each hole. And they're going to be, looks like 10mm bolts. Okay, to put the fuel rail in, I'll pick the line up here. I'm going to get it on the inside of this cabling. And basically, you push this blue sleeve down and then push it in. You'll feel it kind of click, and then let the blue sleeve out, and you're done. And then hopefully we just press these in, and that'll be that. Make sure they're all lined up the right way. You can take these off for now. Okay, and then just kind of wiggle and push. Just go down top of each one. Make sure it's seated. That looks pretty good. So we'll bolt that down. Just snug these down good. Should be fine. Okay. So now there's one connector in the back here that you're going to want to hook up first. It's a pain in the butt to get to. see it. It's on the very back of the head. And really you just have to feel for it. There it went. I heard it snap on. Okay, so that one's in the rear. Now you just have to go through and line each one of these. Oh, guys, up. Okay, so they're all snapped on. The sensor here. And then your Vanos plugs in. Solenoid on this side. Let's pop him out for a second. Okay, 1, 2, 3 connections, and then of course all of your fuel injectors.